is scared about us. We are the real opposition. And the regime knows that they are losing. They are losing this election, so they are intending to rig it massively. The election is being rigged as we talk right now. The internet is off and the journalists are not allowed in some place. Offer protection. It is all of us as citizens. I'm only one Ugandan. I offer myself as a leader. A leader sees the way, goes the way, and shows the way. I saw that way, I went that way, and I'm showing it to the masses. Every struggle for freedom is not without a cost. Jail, beatings, death, and we are not oblivious of that.
Who built the internet, the one you're talking about, we are the ones who built it. So the shutting down is because of dealing with the criminals who want to use that infrastructure to destabilize our country. It is temporary, it is short term, but we are the ones who built the